Chanel Quirol, single place mga kaigsanan, natatandaan. Still on lead, Chanel Quirol, race number 51, the lady rider. Babae na, followed by single place, Raven Divino. Third place, Tartar, Boom, Kenja Lara. And also Gabonada, followed by Picho Canela, followed by Yormina Suno, followed by Ivan, followed by Chan Puras, followed by Chanur, and also Proximity Racing Team, and also Alred Dos Dos, followed by Niño Altosiva, followed by Jeanette Olanda, followed by race number 21, Rich Javier, and also followed by from Barili Cebu, from Lanao City, still on lead, Chanel Quirol, followed by Raven Pepito, followed by Tartar, Picho Canela, followed by KKFC, Yormina Cebu, Alin Gabonada, Abonada, followed by Ivan, followed by Chad Pures, followed by Ivan, and also Rigor from Barili, and also Aldrin Dostos, followed by Chris, Nino, and also Jeanette Olanda, followed by race number 3 from Barili Cebu. Still a lead from Poor Sister, Chanel Quirol, Lady Rider ng Cebu. Raven Pepito, second place. Jeremy ng Cebu, Triple Line. Followed by from KKFC Racing Team. And also Aldrin Gabonada, Ivan Poong, Chad Pures, Tarzan, and also from Sydney Racing Team. From Barili Cebu, that is Internacion. Followed by race number 21, that is Rich Cañete. 633, Jeanette Olanda. And also race number 002, that is Dos Dos. Checkered flag is up, third, Chanel Quirol, followed by Raven Pepito. Basta ramilita ng beginners na eh. Atlanta ng beginners rider. Tribal Line, Yormi ng Cebu. 11 from KKFC Racing Team. 38, Albri Gabonada. Race number 21, that is Ivan Tuong. Race number 00, Tarta. Race number 1, Chad Pures. Race number 20, that is Sindri Racing 3. 21, Prince Cañete. 94, that is Roder from Barili Cebu. 633. 633, Jeanette Olanda, followed by Dos Dos, and also from Barili. Next in line,